Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Lutfi Khairunisa from Universitas Negeri Surabaya. I will presentation my paper with the title The Effectiveness of STEM Learning Based on Robotics, a project to improve science literacy of elementary school students. The education system in Indonesia continues to change the global demands. The 21st century challenge set as the mastery of communication, competencies, collaboration, critical and creative thinking impact changing learning in school. In the face of learning in the 21st century, the person has a necessary thinking skill, knowledge, and abilities of digital literacy, information literacy, media literacy, and mastering information and communication technology. The Program for International Student Assessment, PISA, initiated by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, assesses system in various countries, including Indonesia, by evaluating literacy, science, and mathematical competencies. Unfortunately, until 2030, PISA results in Indonesia were still substandard. Based on PISA result, in 2080, Indonesia was ranking 74 out of 79 countries with a score of 396 for science competency. STEAM is introduced as a method that can increase student creativity. STEAM can develop creativity and self-efficacy. STEAM can improve communication skill, enhance critical thinking skill, can improve student science literacy, science process skill, and student learning outcome. And then STEAM can improve communication and teamwork competencies. Project-based STEAM learning can be used to accommodate students to be familiar with the science literacy. Based on previous studies that have been previously described, it can be seen that STEAM can improve science literacy. The novelty presented in the study is the learning design and the STEAM project apply. In this STEAM project, robotics project, there is integration of essential competencies of elementary school, namely mathematics, science, and then arts. This study aims to describe the design of the STEAM learning with the robotics project and determine of the effectiveness of the STEAM learning based on robotics project in improving science literacy skill. The method in this paper is quasi-experimental research design, non-equivalent control group design, and the instrument is the teaching module validation sheet and the science literacy test, and the data analyze, the first analyzing the validation result of the STEAM teaching module, and then second analyzing the effectiveness of STEAM learning in improving science literacy. And in this research, including normally test and gain independent sample t-test if the data is usually distributed, and the main Whitney U-test if the data is not normally distributed. And the result is divided by two. First, STEAM learning design, and the second is STEAM learning effectiveness. For results, STEAM learning design is development of STEAM teaching modules begin with the analysis of basic competencies that can be integrated into one lesson. After that, mapping the STEAM component in the robotics project is done. The content of the student worksheet is the learning instruction, learning objective, presentation of the fundamental problem related to the use of technology in current era, and the results of the student discussion of the issue. In addition, student worksheet also contains student activities in designing robotics, including determining of the procedure for doing robotics, doing project. Furthermore, student answer question related to the construction of space and its size, how the robot can move, and what energy change occur. And the last, the STEAM learning design developed is declared feasible and valid to use. This STEAM learning design is used to the 6th grade elementary school student in deepening their materials on spatial and electrical energy. And the result of the STEAM learning effectiveness, the first is the end gain of the experimental class is at the moderate criteria, meaning that there is a difference in the pre-test and post-test score of the experimental class, while the control class is at a low criterion, which means there is no difference in the pre-test and post-test score of the control class. The further show that the difference and effectiveness of STEAM learning and independent sample t-test is carried if the both data is distributed normally. But the normally test results show that the n-gain significance value in the control class based on the SPSS analyzed is 0, which is mean below 0.05, and the n-gain significance value in the experimental class is 0.2, which mean above 0.05. The conclusion is that the data is not commonly distorted. Therefore, the Mann-Whitney U-test is needed. And the last for the result is the STEAM learning in experimental class give different result between pre-test and post-test. Meanwhile, in the control class, the learning does not provide different result in student pre-test and post-test. This means that the STEAM learning is effective for improving student science literacy skill. And the discussion is the first, the project design in the study is named Robotics, which is an acronym for robot tissue. Furthermore, it maps the components of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. The integration of STEAM education is an attempt to combine some or all of the 4 disciplines of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into a single unit subject that is based on relationship between issue and the real-world problems. Based on the results of quantitative analysis, the results were obtained as STEAM learning in experimental class gave different result between the pre-test and post-test. And the second, learning without STEAM treatment in the control class does not give a different result on the student pre-test and post-test. And the third, STEAM learning in the effective for improving student science literacy skill. This is an accordance with the several opinions stating that STEAM can improve student science literacy. And the last is improving student science literacy skill based on the test result in experimental class show that activities in STEAM learning give the student the experience of observing the real problem, finding solutions scientifically, and realizing the solution. The process of finding solution involves many thinking skills, such as creative, critical, and problem-solving thinking skill. In addition, scientific attitudes such as not being easily discouraged, always wanting to try, and being meticulous are also formed in the STEAM learning process. STEAM learning has the significant effect on the student affective domain and has a long-term impact on his or her life. Okay, and the conclusion is divided by 2. The first, STEAM learning design must be integrated several disciplines, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and art in one learning and be associated with the real world problem. The significance value is 0. It is below 0.05, so it is interpreted that there is a difference between the two groups, which means that STEAM learning is an experimental class give a different result between the pre-test and post-test, and it can be started that STEAM learning is effective for improving student science literacy skill. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much.